No, no. Welcome everybody, this is part 2 of HHN Halloween Horror Nights, Universal Studios Hollywood.
We're getting ready to get scared.
And we left off in the last video at Scoops Ahoy because we had just done the Stranger Things maze. Went to Scoops Ahoy and got a special signature treat. We let you hang it, but now we're going to reveal what that treat was and what it is. Don't get scared, Katie, it's just chainsaws. We'll reveal the treat, here it is.
We got the...
It's the Mind Flare Shake.
Mind Flare, and it's kind of melting because it's pretty hot out here.
It's the physical shake embodiment of the Mind Flare.
And I did it without strawberry because it comes with strawberry sauce.
Oh yeah, usually you'll see strawberry on the bottom, so you said no strawberry.
You know I don't like fruit with my chocolate.
I know, you're a chocoholic, and a pure chocoholic at that.
Definitely.
I love the tentacles with the, what is that?
Black licorice.
Black licorice.
We will not be eating it.
Alright, give it a taste, see what you think. The Mind Flare Shake.
Nothing's coming out.
It's that thick.
Yep.
You may have to like scoop it with the straw. I like the straw, it's classic with the stripes on it.
Can't get it out because it's paper.
Well, let's use it as a spoon and see.
Chocolatey, delicious. It's good.
You're scared of those chainsaws, aren't you? Every time they fire up, she's always checking her back.
I don't want it. I don't want it, man. Dude, this is really good. It tastes like chocolate and Oreo.
Oh, it's got Oreo.
Yeah. And then you can like scoop it into a cone like this.
That's like the body of the Mind Flare. You just ate it. Katie. There's the hack. Gotta use that as a spoon. Well, we wanted to get this because this is kind of closing the lower lot. This is our celebration of we finished the lower lot. And there's a bunch of mazes up top that we haven't done. That's why we're doing this part 2, right? And if you haven't seen part 1, you got to go back and see part 1 because
put it in the description.
Yeah.
Right there.
All right, so we'll let her finish that up, and we're gonna head up to the upper mazes, up the escalators. Hey, look, there's the Star Court Mall. Guess you could get some food items there. More Stranger Things stuff happening down here. Maximum Screamage, and look at the arcade game graphic with all the maze logos. I love it. There's some pins you can get with all the different logos, some buttons as well.
I want this shirt so bad.
That is so great.
Is that not the cutest? I'm gonna get this. It's only $30.
They're even selling mini upright arcade games. Galaga is my favorite.
Do not hit the hot girl on the opposite escalator. She's way out of your league. Do not attempt to get her phone number.
All right, catching a little bird's eye view of the top of the escalators up here. You can see everybody on their way to the back lot down there to the mazes. But we are headed back this way. All right, we made it back up to the upper lot. Oh.
Oh gosh. Oh, no. She's still behind me? She's still behind me?
No.
Ah, dang it! I thought you said she's not behind me. I hope she don't play. I don't like her. Not behind me? Thank you. That was terrifying.
Very foggy up here. They don't have the flame projectors this year that used to be on each side. I'm kind of bummed about that. Oh well. Whoa! Seems like they've fenced in all these walkers over here to contain them, but a few of them got out. Watch yourselves. All right, made our way to us. We're gonna check out the Jordan Peele maze. Hey, is this line for us or for them? Vision Quest, find yourself. Rocket, is that you?
Yeah.
It's a totem pole outside. Seems to be, we're in a forest.
There's a family in our driveway.
living room, but do not be deceived. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Surrounded. It's like they move when you least expect it. Whoa! Almost got hit by the Range Rover. More stabbing incidents reported. Seems to be some victims on the ground. Whoa! Oh boy. Oh boy. More dead bodies. Find yourself. Dead bodies everywhere. This is not good.
They'll get more gravity. They're human too, you know. This place. I believe they figured out how to make a copy of the body, but not the soul.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Americans.
Whoa! 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 Surrounded.
That one was actually the scariest so far.
It was because
terrifying.
they would move when you didn't notice it, and then they'd be right next to you.
That one was
Oh.
terrifying.
And the tether at the end, that's what they call that, when they're all tethered
I
together.
don't know what that was. That was
I
terrible.
swear, one of them came up this close to me, I'm not even
Dude,
kidding.
so close.
I turned
saw
my
it.
head and she was right there, and it was like,
No!
I think you guys will see it on the
I think
footage.
I think also you can't tell what is
You can't tell what's a mannequin
what's
or,
a mannequin and what's not. Like
wow.
terrifying. They did a great job with that one.
Good job, Jordan Peele. Wow. They have a mobile game this year, and there's an achievement checkpoint that you can check in with. That's kind of cool. I wonder what that's all about. All right, we're just about to head into the Pandora's Box maze. We're being beckoned. Yes, we will. We're trying to. Flashing red lights and a beckoning voice. Sure, we'll come in. Cabinet of Curiosities. Lots of things to look at here. Antiquities. Next up is the holidays in Hell Maze. Happy New Year, Katie.
Oh, look at that skeleton holding the martini.
Yeah. Is it almost 12 o'clock yet?
I think so.
Partying a little too hard. Scary. Ah! Oh, the tunnel of love, Katie. Dismember me, love you tenderly. Such a cut up. Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Not be stealing me gold. Stealing me gold.
I can smell the whatever's cooking there.
If it's gold you want, then gold you shall get.
Ah, feature buddy. Time to get a little patriotic, Katie. Uncle Sam, you're looking good, buddy. Wow. Thanksgiving.
When the turkey goes gobble, gobble, gobble.
That's horrific. Oh, turkey guy. Oh, gobble, gobble. There he is, evil Santa. Trees. Seems very Christmassy.
Morgan's decorating the tree.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, no.
Wow. Such festive decorations. They've got a red carpet with all of Tristan Eaton's murals displayed in smaller forms here. Get your photo ops. There's Tristan right there in the black area. The stilt walker is so crazy.
That is terrifying.
Look who snuck up on us. Whoa! Dang.
Like, I'm telling you.
Whoa! How tall and scary that thing is.
That is horrifying.
Oh my gosh.
I can't get past that one.
Let's see if we can get out of here unscathed. I don't know.
I really don't know. Oh no. Chainsaw Alley.
Yeah, this is Chainsaw Alley. Ooh, very smoky in here.
Oh no.
Just crawling around down there. All right, well that wraps it up. Part 2, HHN Halloween Horror Nights, Universal Studios Hollywood. Oh, we did it.
It was a blast. It
Really
was honestly scary. I would say if you are coming, please prepare to walk.
Yeah,
it's
a lot of
more
walking.
than Disneyland.
It
It's
is.
a lot of walking and standing. I highly
Yeah.
recommend, if you can, chipping up and paying for that extra pass if you're only
Yeah.
coming one time.
Yeah.
It really saves a lot of time. At least it did for us.
It really did. I don't think you could do all the mazes with the regular pass. I'm just saying, I don't think,
I think
it's
you
possible.
could. I think it's possible. I don't know. I think it's possible. But anyways, just bring your good walking shoes and
Yeah.
you'll have a great time. But be prepared to be scared. And if you like this video, please make sure to let us know by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. When you do, turn on your bell notifications. That way you know every time we go live and when we upload. If you want to support our channel, you can become one of our Patreon members. We'll link all the information in the description box below.
We will, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody!